See a moose. First time seeing him alone hiking.
And we're not married. We shouldn't be going to.
The only transportation they had was Josh's motorcycle or
in one of my fingers. And
All right, I was hoping to drive down this road, but the campground's closed. And I was thinking maybe of even camping here, but that is a no-go. So what I'm gonna do, these boulders that I don't see any videos of, or like, doesn't seem like many people go here. So I want to check it out, like see if they're worth climbing, spending kind of a day to go to, and then we'll go camp and eat and stuff. Just figured since we have time, we check this area out. And I'm very interested, considering that I don't see any videos of it, and some of the routes aren't even on Mountain Project. And the only reason I know about them is because I own the Front Range guidebook. Here's the campground I was gonna stay at. Look at that, that's pretty. How's it going? Good. Did you get anything?
No, I'm just practicing, but
Okay.
moose snuck up on me while I was at full draw and just like snorted at me from like 20 yards away. I was like, oh fuck.
Oh my
But
god.
please do not trample me.
It didn't go after you though?
No, it was pretty docile.
Oh, that's
just like, I'm over here.
Did that just happen?
Yeah, like 10 minutes ago or something like that, 15.
Okay.
Yeah, no, there's been a bunch out today, so.
Yeah, I figured. I mean, we're in that area, so.
Yeah, no, they like it in the marshes.
Yeah. Have a good day, man. Conflicted feelings there. For those of you who don't know, moose are mean and arguably more dangerous than bears. I rarely hear people, having a scary bear encounter, but I hear a lot of people having scary moose encounters. So let's hope we can see one from far away. Forgot to bring my hiking shoes. So these are what I'm hiking in today and tomorrow. We'll see how that works out. When I read about this spot, kind of made it sound like it was hard for some cars to get out here, but I don't know what they're talking about. It's a paved road. The hell is that? Good old Camp Dick. There's Camp Dickhead. Wonder how much sunlight we got left. I don't run into that moose that guy ran into. When do these sites open? Why are they closed? There's no snow. I don't understand how that works. I've been running into like closed roads everywhere. They should be able to open early if there's been no snow this winter. This must be the parking area that you would generally park at for the boulders. I don't see anything about bears, just moose. That's interesting. I think I'm not gonna go over there. And I want to make sure I get back to cook. Feels not worth it. When this is open and you can park here, that is a super easy walk to the boulders. So we're definitely going to do that at some point. Some of the routes look incredible. Very tall routes, which I like with flat landings. Ideally, I'd come back with a group or at least one person to spot me on a tall boulder. But fun little walk. It's really eerie to be in a campground where there's no one. This is a nice campground too. I think it's pretty expensive. We see a moose. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right in my path. There's two moose. One is staring right at me. I'm gonna go around it. It does not like me, I'll tell you that right now. We're gonna go around. Avoid. There's two moose. They're both staring at me. I'm just gonna keep going. I think if I just avoid. Moose are so weird. I don't know what to do. At least they saw me, so I didn't startle them. But they're still fucking staring at me, which scares me. It's hard to appreciate it when they're just staring at me. It's kind of scary. There he is, still staring at me. He's young, at least. I hope you guys can see him. Yeah, you gotta be able to see him. He's still staring at me. Just keep walking, just keep walking. Okay, I think they realized I'm not a threat and went back to eating. Let me see if I can get a good shot. First time seeing them alone hiking. It's definitely scary, especially when they stare at you like that. Luckily they're both young. Woo! That'll get the heart rate going a little bit. So we just finished up our walk. Seeing those two moose was super cool and also scary, but I have always wanted to see moose when I'm out hiking just from far away, which is what happened. They just gave me a good stare down and left me alone. So now we are going to our camping spot, which I found on iOverlander. Hopefully there's no one there. Hopefully it's a decent campsite where I can like cook dinner and chill without being bothered. I'll see you when we get there. Oh, another moose. There's a moose. Can you see him? No. It's closed. Wait, can I open it? Let me see if I can open it. Story of my life. Every road is still freaking closed. Who knows why? Please be open, please be open. All right, folks. We found our camping spot after not too many mishaps. I mean, I tried to go to one and the road was closed. And the next one I found was this one, so really wasn't too bad. I'm not even gonna worry about setting up my tent right now. I'm gonna cook dinner because I'm starving, and then we will set up the tent and probably just go straight to bed. I'll give you a look at the campsite real quick. It's kind of level. Is it perfect? No. But it's free. No fire tonight either. I don't know if we're ever gonna have a fire ever again. There is always a fire ban. All right, so on the menu, we got salmon, we got broccoli, we got rice. And for those of you that watched the first episode, you know how I feel about this rice. It is shit, but it's food, and I'm starving. No way this thing already doesn't work. Whatever. Ha! Finally. You can tell this camping spot is not level, unfortunately. This should be fine though. Might even say that it's far from level. Need to snack on some cheese. I'm so hungry. Broccoli good. Not bad at all. Fuck. That's gonna cook quick. I am surely gonna mess this salmon up. Submerge. 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 Oh! Ooh, that looks pretty good. I mean, I think I cooked the fuck out of it. Sweet, now I'm gonna sit in my tent smelling like salmon. That's good. It's good for the bears. They'll be happy. There's no way that that is cooked correctly. But if I did cook it correctly, then you owe me a subscription. Ooh, this might be raw. It is raw. Guess we gotta light this thing up again. Hope it doesn't explode. I thought it was gonna be overcooked, so that's kind of surprising. I feel like this salmon shouldn't be taking this long. But what do I know? I don't know shit. Alright, if this isn't done, I don't care. I'm just eating it. It still isn't done. Like, how? Do not understand that. Well, let's hope we don't get sick from raw fish, you know? Maybe if we bury it in the rice, it'll cook a little bit, maybe? Look at that. That looks pretty good. Other than the pretty raw salmon. Alright, guys. I am going to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Please. Maybe he just needs to warm up. Yes.